So I'm going to introduce you to our beautiful folding Eco Pilates reformer. I'm just going to take you through a few of the features. So if we start at the bottom of the reformer, you'll see that it has our brand new DuraBar foot bar system. This is a lot better than the older foot bar systems that you might see in a lot of reformers that are a pop and pull system. So these older systems tend to need more maintenance, can break more easily. These are tried and tested and last a very long time and very minimal maintenance. So that's it there. And you can see at the moment that it's actually holding in our jump board at the moment. It keeps it nice and supported. So down the bottom here, you'll notice that this little hole there can be used for the jump board, which I've got at the moment, or our standing platform, which sits right here. It's multi-use. And when we move down to the springs here, you'll see that our folding Eco has a beautiful upgrade of 6 springs. Most reformers only have 5 springs. Our folding Eco has 6 springs. So it gives you more ability to play around with what spring tension you put on and really push it up when you're getting more advanced into your workouts, because a lot of reformers don't have a lot of spring tension, and this has a lot should you need it. And there's also 2 levels as well, which gives you even greater adjustability. So then if we move up along the reformer, you'll see it's got a beautiful wide carriage. This has been upgraded, and we've widened the carriage here to give you a smoother, softer, more beautiful glide as well, much more comfortable than our older 2022 model. And then moving up again, we've got a beautiful shoulder rest here, and we've got our pins to put our hand straps on, which I find super handy. And again, we've got the really nice soft no metal clasps here, and the double loops as well, which I find really great for using for arm work or leg work. I usually like to use the longer straps for. And our double cleat system holds our ropes in nice and tight. And then, forgot to say, the headrest as well has different levels as well. So you can angle it up and down, no matter what, depending on what exercise you're doing. And then finally, as we move to the end of the folding Eco, you'll see that it's got these great uprights here. So again, these are adjustable. You can have these at whatever height you like, depending on what exercise you're doing and how tall you are or how tall your client is. So that's really great that you can adjust these. So then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how it folds up. So to fold it up, you can take off these risers here, you can take off the shoulder rest, depending on how much you want to store it away. I'm just going to show you now, just by taking the ropes out, how it folds up. So I usually find taking the ropes out is probably the minimal thing you need to do to get it done. Again, you can take out these to fold it up, just depending on, how much you're wanting to store and how much space you've got. But I'll just show you the quick way for today. So usually what I like to do is I take out the ropes, I pop the foot bar all the way up, lock it in there, and it's really great too, because a lot of other folding reformers you need to take this carriage part off. With this one you don't have to, which I find super, super handy. So it's just a matter of hopping inside and lifting it up like that. And if I can do it, anyone can do it. And you can see, it sits like that. And it's got these wheels on the bottom, so then you can wheel it around wherever you need to go. So that's basically the folding Eco in a nutshell. Hope you like it.